Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be looking at picking the right affiliate product for promotion. Picking the right product is a very important decision. You're putting your reputation on the line. If you pick a product that does not do well or does not live up to its hype, if I may say, then it's your reputation that's gonna take the hit. Your customers, your contacts, your list, they will not trust you anymore. So in this video, for the next few minutes, let's take a look at the 4 big marketplaces that are there for affiliate products, and let's see how you can pick the right product. So first, you're looking at ClickBank here. I'm in the ClickBank marketplace. Now here on the marketplace, there is at least one important thing that you have to remember. Let's try searching for something. Let's try YouTube. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so we have YouTube. Here are all the results. There's so many 14 pages of results. That means there's a lot of products which provide some training on YouTube. Now, which of these products is a good one for you to promote? You might be looking at the price per month. You might look at average dollars per conversion. There are some stats. You have the categories and all sorts of details here. When you're in ClickBank, remember there's only one thing you can do to check for a good product to promote. Go up to the sort results by and sort it by gravity. Now gravity is something that tells you, okay, take a look at this here. This tells you how many affiliates have been successful in promoting this product in the last few days. There's 146, which means this is doing very well. So you can actually go ahead and promote this product. You can promote this product. Here there's another one with gravity 102, but is it related to YouTube? TikTok, YouTube, okay, there's something. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Gravity is 87. So it's good. Now, in addition to gravity, you can maybe take a look at recurring. Now, if there is a recurring billing, then that means you're going to have recurring income. It could be a monthly income or maybe a yearly income, but whatever it is. If you take a look at the gravity and then maybe look at the recurring and then take a look at the average dollars per conversion, you should be able to find a good product to promote. So go ahead, go into ClickBank, take a look at any of these various categories that are available. Search for a product that you like. Look at the gravity, look at the recurring. If it is there, it's good. If it's not there, it's okay, you can still promote it. Look at the average dollars per conversion. It should not be something like $5, so it's not worth your time promoting it. So that's how you do it on ClickBank. Let's go to the next marketplace, which is Digistore24. I'm in Digistore24. I just logged into my account and I clicked on marketplace, and here I am. So once you're in this marketplace view, you can take a look at all the categories which are available. This is the default view that it opened up to. So let's again type YouTube just for the sake of consistency. YouTube, let's see what comes up. Alright, we have YouTube University course. So here we have 50% commission, which is good. Earnings, you get $386. Okay, that's a big amount. The price which they're selling it for is $829. What other details do we have here? Not many details, and it seems to have just one. Let's go to use space tube. Nothing. Let's go to tube. Okay, here we go. We have 3. So we have this one by MacPower. Cancellation rate is 12.8%. Okay, so a lot of people are actually canceling after purchasing this program. So take a look at them with a pinch of salt. Here we have another one which has a cancellation rate of 19.5%. Okay, so this seems to be doing a lot worse than MatPar's course. And then you have the YouTube University course, which does not have a cancellation rate statistic here, so we do not know how it's doing. But here you go, you have 3. So on Digistore.com, you take a look at the percentage of commission, you look at how much you can earn, and then you look at the cancellation rate. I think that should give you a good gist of how it is converting. Okay, you can also look at the conversion rate, the cart conversion. Here it's converting at 3%. Let's go into something else and check if we have another example, a better one. Okay, so we have done for your service affiliate marketing system. Cancellation rate is quite high, 22.5. Cart conversion is only 2.0. Okay, not good. Let's see, SaaS affiliate, you have 8.9% cancellation rate, conversion is 1%, that's low. Hypersuggest, 3.8 is a cancellation and cart conversion is 13. This is doing good. The commission is very low. It's just 20% and you're gonna earn just about $28 per sale. Okay, $28 per sale, that's okay. So if you make about 5 sales, you get just over $100 per month or so. It's a subscription type, so I do not know if it is a monthly recurring or a yearly, but yes, you get lifetime 20% commission on your sales, so that's good. So that's how you pick products on Digistore. Let's move to the next one, which is JVZoo. I'm in the JVZoo page, and here I went into the affiliates, find products. Once you log into JVZoo, you click on affiliates, find products, and you come to this page. Here it's slightly different. You have similar statistics. You have refund rate, you have the commission percentage, you have the average price, the EPC, I keep forgetting what that is, but what you need to know is that any EPC over $1 is good. Then you have the conversion rate and so on. Now by default it is sorted by what is it sorted by? I think it is sorted by the number of units sold, a total of that. You can sort it by anything you want. So here we have Video Maker FX, which is the highest performing product since 2014. We have another one, Explendio, which is again from 2014, Easy Sketch. All 3 are from 2014. And then if you want to see the latest products, you can just click on launch date and you can sort it by that. But you're going to be looking at a combination. You're going to look at the number of units sold. The higher the units, the better the product is doing in the market. And then take a look at the refund rate. Any refund rate that is below 10% is okay. It's good to go. If it is less than 8 or less than 5, it's even better. So those are the products you would definitely go for. So for example, I've got my links for this. I just need to if I want to promote Explendio, I just need to click on request approval, and once Andrew looks at my application, it's his choice whether to approve or disapprove me. But there we go. So you look at the refund rate, you look at your commission, you look at the EPC, and you have your product. You picked your product. Now that's on JVZoo. Now let's look at the fourth one, which is WarriorPlus. Once again, I've logged into my WarriorPlus account, and here we go to affiliate, click on offers, and you should come to this page. On this page, you have similar details. You have the release date, which is the launch date. You have the number of sales, the conversion rate, visitor value, refund rate, and you have one interesting thing which is called the pulse rate. So for WarriorPlus, if you look at it, it's already sorted by the pulse rate. Whichever has a good pulse rate is a good product for you to promote. So pulse rate is a combination, it's a score that's given based on a combination of various factors. And for WarriorPlus, if you just take a look at the pulse rate, I think you should be good to go. You can choose your product. What else is there? Yeah, that's about it. So there you go. That's how you go ahead and choose your products for promotion on these 4 major marketplaces. Well, with that said, I leave it to you now to go create an account on each of these accounts and find the products you want to promote. So wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video.